Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Value.Venture. Today's topic is types of depreciation methods in building valuation. We know a building loses value over time, but how exactly do valuers calculate that loss? There are several methods, and today we'll cover the main ones. So let's get started. Method 1, the straight line method. This is the simplest and most widely used method in India. Here, the building loses the same amount of value every single year. You take the cost of the building, subtract the scrap or salvage value, and divide by the total life of the building. For example, a building costing 20 lakh rupees with a 50-year life depreciates by about 40,000 rupees each year. Simple, easy to apply, and accepted by most banks. Method 2, the constant percentage method, also called the declining balance method. Here, the building depreciates by a fixed percentage of its remaining value each year, so the loss is higher in the early years and smaller later on. This method reflects how many assets actually lose value in the real world, quickly at first, then more slowly. Method 3, the sinking fund method. This method assumes the owner sets aside a fixed amount every year, which earns interest, so that by the end of the building's life there's enough money to rebuild it. The depreciation is calculated based on this annual sinking fund installment. It's more scientific, and it's often used for institutional and public buildings. Method 4, the quantity survey method. This is the most detailed method. Here the valuer examines every single part of the building, the roof, walls, flooring, doors, windows, plumbing, and wiring, and calculates depreciation for each item separately, based on its own condition and life. It takes more time, but it gives the most accurate result. So remember, straight line is the simplest, constant percentage is realistic, sinking fund is scientific, and quantity survey is the most accurate. The right method depends on the purpose of your valuation. Please subscribe to Value.Venture for more videos regarding valuation.